Now the mark sheet, I am calculating the results. So here the total marks, this is for the average marks. Total marks means here the 4 subject: English, Arabic, Science and Computer, and individual student has the individual marks. English, yeah, English has got the 95, Arabic 99, Science 70, Computer 90. So I want to total here. So here, and the average means which is 4 subjects. So how was the average? See here how. So using the formula equal to, and here the sum, then brackets, open the brackets, and just select and drag all 4 columns. Here the 4, if you want one, then more. Here 4 column, click and enter. So this is the total marks, and average same equal to A B. See here the average and the brackets, and select the all 3 columns and close the bracket and enter. See, this is the average marks. So this is for the one student. So yeah, this is the, so 363 total marks and 90.75, this is the average marks. For the all students the same formula, so just select and drag for all, then this is come at a time, this is automatically. Okay, also you can format it, so no problem, you can format it. Already I talked about this, and put the tabular format, and it's better to center, and if you want to the more size, then this is the concept. So here the total marks and the average marks for the student in a mark sheet. Okay, thanks.